Rolando Rolly Romero. Gervonta
Mayo 28, ngayong paparating na linggo, magaganap ang isa sa pinakaabangang laban sa bansang Amerika. Ang bakbakan ng puro undefeated boxer, si Rolando Rolly Romero, ay susubok na kunin ang titulo na WBO World Lightweight title na hawak-hawak ni 3 Division Champion Gervonta "Tank" Davis. Noong Disyembre pa sana ang kanilang laban, pero nakansila dahil sa kasong kinasasangkutan ni Romero. Pero ngayong susunod na linggo ay di na mapipigilan pa ang sagupaan ng dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Puspusan na ang naging training na ginawa nila, kahit sparring partner ay tinutumba. Ilang ulit na rin nagbangayan sa social media, nagpapalitan ng mga anghang na salita.
He's gonna fall and it's gonna hurt worse than anything.
You say I hit him on one of these, you're gonna knock his whole nose off. Like, look at his nose. His nose is like real small. Like.
At sa presko nila ay tila gusto nang umpisahan ang basagan ng mukha. Puro matatapang at palaban. Kaya naman ay talagang inaabangan ang kanilang bakbakan para malaman na kung sino talaga ang mas magaling, mas malakas at mas palaban. Kung sino ang mananalo at kung sino ang uuwing luhaan. Sa kanilang mga nakaraang mga laban ay talagang makikita na may pambihirang lakas ng mga kamao ang dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Pinagbabagsak ang mga kalaban ng bawat isa. Makikita din ito sa dala-dala nilang malinis na kartada. 14 wins, 0 loss, 12 via knockout ang challenger na si Romero. 5'8 ang tangkad at may edad na 28, habang 26 wins, 0 loss, 24 via knockout naman si champion Tank Davis. May edad na 27 at 5'5 ang tangkad. Sa paparating na Mayo 28, araw ng linggo, kanino kayo tatalpak sa isa sa mga kinakatakutang knockout artist at kasalukuyang 3 Division World Champion Gervonta "Tank" Davis? O sa isang papausbong pa lang, maingay na challenger pero knockout artist din na si Rolando Rolly Romero? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Sabay nating tignan ang ilan sa mga knockout highlights ng kani-kanilang mga laban.
Right now, that little counter hook that we talked about by Romero just landed on Figueroa, and it hurt him. And Romero's going in for the kill right now, and he's got Figueroa hurt. Even in action, Figueroa just down goes Figueroa. That's a hard knockout right there.
Gonna land that. He's catching. He's gonna fight him in the corner. Yeah. I really
nice uppercut. Oh, and a second one with 20 seconds. Enough. Oh, that's wide. Lightning. They land one edge. It's to Davis. I think he has him caught under the eye. Just cut. What a chin was Davis unfazed. You take on a guy.
like, get yourself a break.
Oh, Tank drops him. And some
With and he was.
He knew Avila needed to show something at the beginning of the round to stay in it. And now Davis thinks he's got him done. And Michelle.
Speed combo. Back in the jab. Don't say that.
There we go. There we go, baby. Beautiful. That's it. Defense. Tight defense.
Set up the jab. There you go.
Body. There you go.
Step over.
There you go. Defense. Beautiful. Body. Body. There we go, baby.
Beautiful. Get him. Run the jab.
Yeah,
There you go.
Yes. Body. Body.
Body. That's it.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Beautiful.
Cordones covers up. Cordones is hurt. Romero's right on top of him. Another chopping right hand. And a left hand, and down goes Cordones. He devised a plan for this fight. He thought he could get away with it. So far, he certainly has. Left hand on his off him again. And a right hand drops him once more.
7, 8,
He's not going to make it.
You don't want to get up.
And that's it.
Boxing for a lot of them early rounds. Know what to do in a situation like this. He looks in his corner. Of 3 minutes of every hurtful. I mean, Pedraza does look hurty now, actually, just as I say that. Big shot! Just start sinking in from Gervonta Davis, and a huge right hand! Monte Davis has arrived!
The sign of there of that fault when he brings just call a K.
Shout is in power to Walsh.
Are coming from Davis at this point. That's a big left hand, and Walsh wants to hold on. He knows Walsh, but Davis knows he's hurting, and he's going looking for him now, and he's trying to finish it here, and he puts him down on steady legs. He looks as though he's gone here, Walsh. One more, and it's all over his stops. It's a premature finish.
Actuación muy dominante para borrar ese recuerdo del combate anterior y parece que sale con ganas al suelo.
Con el mismo jab y un gancho.
Claro, y ya sabes que en el boxeo todo es legal hasta que el árbitro dice que no. Y al suelo, esto.
Bueno, todo lo que se ve en el boxeo, combinación tremenda.
Try to make him.
Trying to find takers, but
He doesn't feint at all.
no.
You know, you need the break.
The bicycle, utilizing lateral footwork, then lands. We are going to the 8th round, their respective careers.
Oh, nice. Okay.
The kids will tell you. Oh, Fonseca. Fonseca unable to answer the 10 count, but we're going to have to look.
Shout out to Mayweather Promotions. Again, anytime they put on a fight, the magnitude, whatever, 5 fights, 10 fights, and a left hook by Rolly. I'll get to another minute, and a left hook, and Zhao is out. This fight is over.
South.
No. Quayle, he's come out perfectly. Through that left hand of round counter again. He really is a joy to watch, and this is great work by Davis.
And looking for the body again after popping out the jab a couple of times. He's trying to cover up here, Quayle, but he goes upstairs, Davis, and that is some kind of a.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.